Alright, so hey guys and welcome back. It's Angelica coming back at you with another vape haul unboxing. Kinda already took the stuff out of the priority mail shipping box that it came in, but I am running on 10 hours of sleep between the past 48 hours, all of which were 911. It was a busy day. Let's just get into it. So I have the receipt. I'll just run down what I got. So I got 5 for $10 juices off of Fuggin, which, by the way, that is the company that I always order from online. But recently, I also want to share this real quick. This is the Pop Vapors Blue Raspberry. It says 3 nicotine, but I actually got it in 6. It's helped me to calm down a lot, especially over the past couple of days, because I'm uploading 2 videos and then going to bed. Yeah, let's just say I'm a little bit loopy. Sorry for the way I look right now. I just got done my homework too. Let's get into it. So from Fuggin, by the way, I got this from my local vape shop, Pure Puff in Berlin, New Jersey. So from Fuggin, I got 5 for $10. Bare Naked vape juice. It is Naked Kiwi Dragon Fruit. Then I also got this, which is the Fuggin BJ. Sorry about that. That's what that looks like. I like that cap. That's a pretty cool cap. It came and it was kind of wet, so I don't know if some of the juice leaked out during shipping. I don't know. But again, that is BJ, and that is Fuggin's own vapor line. Next, to break into the box, because I haven't looked at the box yet, I just saw these on top, and I said, ooh, that was pretty. I, in total, got a lot of vape juice. And let's just take this all out real quick. By the way, since I'm going over prices, this one was $14.99 after discounts and whatnot. It's originally sold at $24.99, but I'm going with the deal, so I got a bunch of juices, which I'm happy, so I can't complain. This is in 6-nic as well. Then I got Mr. Bombtastic by Mario's in accidentally 0-nic, so I'm gonna go to Pure Puff again and get nicotine fillers, which you should have at your local shop, but it all depends. Next, I got also by Mario's Blue Raz, because as you can tell, I love blueberry flavors, and you'll see that in a second. And then I have, by the way, all of the rest of these are in 6-nic. It's just the one that I accidentally got, and these are in 3-nic because they didn't have 6-nic. So, by the way, what I mean by 3-nic and 6-nic is 3 milligrams of nicotine in the bottle. Next, I have Miami Ice Purple Peach. It's clear. I tried to stick with lighter color juices, although Mr. Bombtastic and Blue Raz are both yellowish. This one is clear, the BJ. Going over prices again, because I'm trying to skip through this so fast. Mr. Bombtastic right here was $15 after discounts. The Blue Raz was $14.99. And then the Purple Peach right here was $15. Next we have Miami Ice. This is blackberry candy. I've never tried blackberry flavors before. I guess this is their new standard cap size, or standard cap theme for 120 mils, which all of these are except for these, which is why they're in the 60 ml bottles. After that, I have the Blues, another blue raspberry slushy flavor. I'm not sure what the actual color of this is. Let me double check it real quick since I'm here. This is clear. And boy, that does taste good. But getting on, this is Fuggin Jaws. Again, from Fuggin's vapor line. So, as always, I'm going to do a taste test, starting with the Bare Naked kiwi dragon fruit. So, definitely good flavor. I would generally put these in my vape, but I left my vape batteries at the station, so I'm trying not to essentially wipe down my batteries as fast as possible, because unfortunately I already have to put that on the USB charger. For the Fuggin BJ, I think I already tried this when I first got it, because again, the juice had leaked. That tastes more like grape flavor, which is actually very, very good. Next, I'm going to try the purple peach. I'm going to be so lightheaded by the end of this video. So for this one, because it is Miami Ice, it is menthol. I tasted the menthol right off the bat. Then I tasted a little bit of the peach along with grape. And it actually says it right on the front here, down below, underneath of the purple peach. I know it's backwards, I'm sorry. It is ripe, fresh Georgia peaches mashed into a chill grape purple fusion. I get that. I definitely do. Then we will try Mr. Bombtastic. This one is supposed to be like, if you guys have ever had the red, white, and blue pops from the store, this is what this is supposed to be like. I get more of a white grape flavor for some reason with this. I'll have to vape it and then get back to you with it. But yeah, that's definitely more, I want to say like a white grape flavor. That's weird. Then we have the blue raz, which I already tried a little bit of. And again, it tastes more like a blueberry. Not necessarily like the blueberry fruit, but more like blueberry candy. Purple peach already went over. Now we have the blackberry candy. Where is that one? Right here. So, again, I've never tried a blackberry flavor before. Just tiny sized amount, if you can even see. Just the size of my, well, a quarter of the size of my fingertip. I think this is the one I'm going to go with next. I really, really like that. That literally does taste like blackberry candy. Tastes like straight up blackberry, more like the fruit actually, if you can believe it. It's really good. Now for the taste test of the blues. Okay, this is definitely blue raspberry. And this is by Oh My Slush. All of these rounded out to be $15. So, if you're interested price point wise, that's what it came out to. And this is the Fuggin Jaws. This definitely tastes like a jawbreaker. So if you've ever had a blue raspberry flavored jawbreaker, that's pretty much what it tastes like. I will rate all of these together. They're all at about like an 8.5 out of 10. Just to gather them all together. But that's that. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below. Subscribe and hit the bell notification if you want to see more from me. And please, again, just like the one girl said on here, my one subscriber, if you have any requests, please link them down below. My one subscriber, which I appreciate. I'm sorry I can't remember your name right now. I'm extremely tired. Otherwise, I probably would. You requested another vape video. So that is what I have for you today. In total, including the 5 juices, I also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 12 juices in total. But only 8 different kinds of juice flavors, if you will. But again, keep on rocking with whatever you're doing. Please don't overwork yourself like me with technically 3 full-time jobs, because that's what I consider school to be, especially right now. And I'm gonna go hit the hay, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.